Dear students, today I am going to start theorem 8.7 from chapter 8. The statement of theorem 8.7 is, if the diagonals of quadrilateral bisect each other, then it is a parallelogram. We are given in quadrilateral A, B, C, D with AC and BD as diagonals intersecting at point O. Now, as diagonals bisect each other, we are given that by diagonals are bisecting each other. So, if diagonals bisect each other, it means OA is equal to OC and OB is equal to OD. Now, we have to prove that ABCD is a parallelogram. So, we will take two triangles. That is, one triangle is triangle AOD and second is triangle BOC. So, we'll write in triangle AOD and triangle BOC. Already two sides of these two triangles are given equal in the question. So we will write OA is equal to OC and OB is equal to OD. Here we will write it is given in the question. Then we are having we want one more element to prove that both these triangles are congruent. So we will take angle 1 is equal to angle 2 vertically opposite angles. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2 vertically opposite angles. So by side angle side, by SAS congruency rule, triangle AOD is congruent to triangle BOC. Now we have to prove that it is a parallelogram. So if both these triangles are congruent, then we can say that angle 3 is equal to angle 4. Therefore, angle 3 is equal to angle 4 by CPCT. By CPCT, angle 3 is equal to angle 4, but these are alternate angles. If alternate angles are equal, then lines are parallel. So we can say that AB is parallel to DC as BD is its transversal, and angle 3 is equal to angle 4 alternate angles. If one pair of side is parallel, then we can say that this quadrilateral is a parallelogram. Therefore, ABCD is a parallelogram. Hence, proved. The statement of theorem 8.8 is that a quadrilateral is a parallelogram if a pair of opposite side is equal and parallel. In quadrilateral ABCD, we have side AB is equal to DC and also parallel to DC. So in given, we will write ABCD is a quadrilateral where AB is parallel to CD and also AB is equal to CD. And we have to prove that ABCD is a parallelogram. So we will take two triangles. One is triangle ABC and second is triangle CDA. In triangle ABC and triangle CDA. Now in these two triangles we have AB is equal to DC, which is CD, which is given in the question. Then side AC is equal to side CA of both the triangles, which is common. Now third element which we want to make these two triangles congruent is angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Why angle 1 is equal to angle 2? Because AB is parallel to CD. So therefore alternate angles are equal. If the two lines are parallel, their alternate angles are equal. Therefore angle 1 is equal to angle 2. So by angle side, by SAS congruency rule, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle CDA. Now if both these triangles are congruent, their corresponding parts are also equal. So we will write side AD is equal to side BC by CPCT. Now already we are given side AB is equal to side DC, and now AD other two sides are also equal. So we will write both, therefore both pair of opposite sides are equal. So ABCD is a parallelogram. One pair of side was given in the question which is equal, and second we have proved. So both pair of opposite sides are equal. So ABCD is a parallelogram, hence proved. Now with this our theorem 8.8 is completed. Now in next video we will start the exercise 8.1.